even the hotels as cheap as $7 per night here in Indonesia were very decent. Meanwhile, in India, this is my $12 hotel room. And that is my room with very similar price to this one. I'm allergic to dust. Look at this. And I don't think this could ever happen in Indonesia. Look at the light. Oh, this is nice. Water is hot, and what is more important, it is clean. It doesn't have any smell or taste. Clean. Meanwhile, in India, cold already. Even the water has this kind of dusty flavor.
Seorang turis asing asal Polandia mendadak menjadi sorotan setelah secara terang-terangan mengaku trauma selama berada di India. Pria yang telah mengunjungi lebih dari 50 negara itu bahkan memutuskan membatalkan perjalanannya lebih awal karena merasa hidupnya penuh tekanan. Mulai dari dipandang seperti ATM berjalan, dikerumuni pengemis dan scammer, hingga masalah kebersihan hotel serta makanan yang menurutnya sudah berada di level mengkhawatirkan. Yang paling mengejutkan, turis itu mengaku sampai masuk rumah sakit usai mencoba street food India. Sementara netizen India justru mengejeknya sebagai turis miskin karena memilih hotel murah.
So this street food not for me. Not for a while, maybe never again. I almost died, man.
This is his problem, not Delhi. I told him not to eat street food.
He was eating 50 rupees thali. Okay.
50 cent thali and he was like, oh wow.
Turis Polandia ini pun akhirnya terbang ke Indonesia untuk membuktikan bahwa harga murah tidak selalu identik dengan kualitas buruk. Sesampainya di Jakarta dan Yogyakarta, ia langsung membandingkan pengalaman yang didapatnya. Dari hotel murah yang tetap bersih, pelayanan ramah, hingga rasa aman berjalan sendirian di malam hari, semuanya membuatnya terkejut.
But even the hotels as cheap as $7 per night here in Indonesia were very decent. Meanwhile, in India, this is my $12 hotel room. And that is my room with very similar price to this one. I'm allergic to dust. Look at this. The floor is dirty. And also the carpet, the floor here, you can feel the dirt in every corner. And I don't think this could ever happen in Indonesia. Look at the light. Oh, this is nice. Water is hot, and what is more important, it is clean. It doesn't have any smell or taste. Clean. Meanwhile, in India, cold already. Even the water has this kind of dusty flavor. And many Indians will comment, yeah, it's your fault because you stay in the cheap places, you don't have money. I hated these ones. No, it's not true. Here, the hotel, which was more than 2 times cheaper, was still decent and clean. No matter the price, I understand the hotel could be old, little bit neglected, but the room has to be clean. This is the absolute and the major rule.
Bahkan turis ini membandingkan street food Indonesia dan India, yang dimana menurutnya street food Indonesia jauh lebih aman, walau terlihat kurang higienis. Dia sendiri tidak pernah mendapat masalah kesehatan selama memakan makanan Indonesia. Tidak seperti di India, yang dimana dia sampai masuk ke rumah sakit karena street food yang kurang layak untuk dimakan.
Me inside of the kitchen. Okay, this is my favorite drink in Indonesia. Wow.
Belum dicampur.
She even mix for me because it's very important to mix noodles in Indonesia. I don't know why. So for the foreigners from the Western countries, the first impression of the street food in Indonesia, that might be that it is not very clean. It just doesn't look very sanitary. But they keep it clean. I eat this 3 times a day and nothing ever happened. I never had any stomach problems. Of course, some food poison probably can happen, but I'm pretty confident to say that most of the times, almost always, it's very safe to eat the street food here. Meanwhile, the street food in India is a different game. In my opinion, recently is very much ridiculous. When I was in India, after eating a street food, I almost died. I ended up in hospital. I had to spend the night there.
Stop.
And it's not only because of the cheap street food. It can also happen in a fancy restaurant. Not worth it.
Pengalaman itu kemudian memicu perdebatan besar di media sosial. Banyak netizen India marah dan menilai turis Polandia ini sengaja menjelekkan negaranya. Sementara sebagian lainnya mengakui bahwa kritik tersebut memang mencerminkan masalah nyata yang masih sering dikeluhkan wisatawan asing. Di sisi lain, Indonesia justru mendapat sorotan positif karena dianggap mampu memberi rasa aman, keramahan, dan kualitas layanan yang lebih baik meski dengan biaya yang lebih murah. Perbandingan ini akhirnya membuat banyak orang bertanya-tanya, apakah Indonesia kini mulai dipandang sebagai destinasi wisata yang lebih nyaman dibanding India? Bagaimana pendapatmu mengenai ini guys? Tulis di komentar.